important for this video is trust the process. All right, we got a new truck, mega slab here. It's all nasty, ugly, really ugly. But like I said, trust the process. Today is just basically not even a 24-hour of owning this truck. We're already gonna do some cleanup on it. And interior, we got a sunroof. It's a Laramie seats, cool and seated seats, black interior with brown wood grain. Excuse all the mess at the moment. Got my kids' seats and everything in here. Got extra parts that came with the truck. Extra wheels for a 3rd gen. This came out of my truck. But yeah, we're gonna make our first video with this one. I'm really excited. Haven't done this kind of video in a while, so yeah. Day 3 of owning this truck. Did a lot. Basically got this truck to be, I wouldn't say showroom quality, because there's still a bunch of like stuff that needs to be fixed. The bed, the tailgate, the bumper, the paint, the front bumper. You know, regular shit that just, regular stuff that needs requirement of a lot of money, more time, of course, and more finding. But overall, from how I got it to how it is just now is totally different. So check this out. Yeah. So already replaced the grill. Got rid of this broken grill. This one's actually sturdy. Won't come off. Up next be bumper, maybe headlights, mirrors. Definitely a bumper, which was all loose, but now it put some good bolts in there. Here, let me zoom this out some. And a tailgate. What was going on here? I don't know. Other than that, bumper's cracked right there. But overall, it'll do for now. Again, 3rd day of owning it. Got my detailing guys to go through it all. Scrub everything down as best as they could. The bed ain't the best. That thing is what holds that box up for the bed cover to roll in and out, which, yeah, anyways, I may get rid of this one. Kind of don't like it, but it'll do for now. Interior, look at this. Oh yeah. Carpet, looks freaking good, dude. Like, cleaned up, Can't go wrong. Like, look at this. I mean, I can find another piece, but this is a truck that is worth, to me at least, in my opinion, it's worth actually building up to be a great looking truck. Gonna be debadging it. This I didn't already have it, so that's already kind of one less thing I have to take off, but this is bothering the crap out of me. A lot of things bother the crap out of me on this truck, but I don't have all the money in the world. There's a bunch of rock chips here, but man, this paint kind of still reflects really good. I mean, you can see, like, look at that. You know, it's not the perfect. There's scratches, whatever. When the time comes, we'll get repainted, whole body work, the whole 9 yards. 2.5 inch level pretty soon. This is a build that definitely I am going to actually, besides like the second gen, I'm gonna actually be recording and doing the YouTube with. Engine bay. Let's get to that. Again, needs stuff, right? Had, you know, components there. Got rid of all that. But anyways, cleaned up very well. Need a fan shroud. I need a cover here. And we need some nice things going on here pretty soon. Second gen swap, my own piping kit, etc. Probably gonna do a on 3 intercooler, make that look nice. Probably a new radiator, because that is not good, especially on this side. Look at that. Terrible, right? But anyways, yeah, got really cleaned up very well. Need to figure something out here, and that I couldn't find the 4th screw to be looking like OEM, which bothers the crap out of me, but it's late. I need to get back home. Also, after a long day of working, need to fix this little plastic stuff for my windshield fluid squirters. But yeah, looking good so far. She got a huge makeover. And huge. I mean, the grill just did a huge difference. I mean, you know what I mean? Black bumper, black roll pan. Yeah, slowly get this thing going. So, get some nice headlights in, mirrors, you know, some tint. Yeah. Oh, little screw there. It's just not leaking, so that's kind of good. Get that pulled out later, or may just leave it, because my luck, I'll pull it out and it starts leaking, right? But yeah, guys, this is the new build. Well, not a new build, but well, I guess yeah. I guess I would say it's a new build, but it's more like an adding to the list build, because I also still got the second gen, which I got a motor for that. Video of all this is gonna be coming up pretty soon too. So yeah, I got second gen now. I got to build, get up running. This truck as a daily tow truck. I know it sucks to say I got rid of my 4500. It breaks my heart, but I wanted a fun daily / tow truck, whatever you want to say. However, anyways, I just wanted something I can do everything, make look good, that I can put in a show and shine or haul my race truck with daily, have fun at a show. Someone tells me to do I can do a burnout, whatever, lay a freaking heater down on the road, you know. Yeah, just have fun, have like a fun daily. And So this is what I got. And to me, I am very happy. In my opinion, I am. So, I mean, it's obvious to me. Like, but, dude, the way these guys clean this up, like, this interior has never seen this quality of cleanliness. You know what I mean? So, yeah. She sounds healthy. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, day 3 of owning this. Every time I get something new to fix, repair, performance parts, make it look good, I'll make a video of it. See y'all next video.